I don't know if we'll show it, but there it is. Absolutely beautiful. This is the first time we get to see it without any obstruction behind it. And just beautiful. There's the hole, like right there. And just beautiful. Okay. And the cleanup begins.
Yeah. Try to save as many of this, anything that might be valuable later. Who knows when this will put on, but
yeah. There's a hole. What? Okay, we got that walkway torn up and most of the beams out, and the tin right here just rotted out. See down where that safe room and bathroom are, and it just well, we heard it was the safe room, that's right. Just, yeah. Alright, we got the tin off of most of it and exposed all the rottenness and what needs to be replaced. And we still have all that over there, but for the most part we got it off. So, all right then. Okay everybody, have a mask on because my job today, while Frank is working on part of the roof, is cleaning this back stairwell and just ooh. And here's where we are. We got a lot of the rotten wood out, and Frank's still working on very delicately removing some brick over here and trying to clean up that roof. So making progress, and it's a beautiful day.
this is heavy.
I know. Do you want some help?
What's the chances I'd recommend?
You already did. Oh, shh.
There you go. What was it left?
Oh, wow. Not much left of anything.
No. That's what happens when you make a pool out of wood and tin.
Huh.
It doesn't last for a whole long time.
Yep. And below this is the hallway to the kitchen. Just to give you some reference.
the worst place in the house.
Exactly. All right.
Well, as you can see, we've got the flat roof taken apart here, but we got some issues because they sloped the flat roof into that corner, and surprise, surprise, you can't really have water sitting in a corner for very long before it starts to rot things out. And then they sloped this one into that corner, and that corner rotted out. No big surprise. So I have to take this off and try to figure out how to design another flat roof, so that way when we put it back together we can just stand out here and look at the stained glass window.
How's it going, Frank?
I'm removing the decking, the sheathing, whatever you want to call it. Since this is wrong, I can't have a flat roof sloping back toward the house. I don't know if it sagged, I don't know what happened, but I've got to make it so the water runs away from the house, not toward the house, on both sides. Since this decking needs to come up anyway, I'm removing this decking and might be able to use it places where you can see the decking from the other side. This I'm going to just resheet with plywood since you can't see it. And then I'll use this stuff in a spot where you can see it from the underside, like
In the attic, yeah. Okay.
So that's what I'm doing.
Good job, babe.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. Well, I'm making progress on the back step. You can actually see the landing right there. So, still a ways to go. All right. Gotta get busy.
Back to work. Oh, I'm just tearing all this stuff up. There's a rotted sill right down here.
Is there?
So, that has to come out. Always something.
Yes, it is.
Box gutters.
How bad are they? Underneath.
Oh, the box gutters are gone. I mean, they're
Oh, totally rotted. Totally rotted out.
it's just because of the water. Water does that to things. So get that profile off of there. And I'm gonna need your help probably.
Okay.
It's not too heavy.
Okay. Okay.
Looking at our box cutters that aren't there no more.
Yeah.
Never thought I'd see the day when I rebuilt a box cutter. I hate box cutters.
I think we're going to end up rebuilding a lot of box cutters. Box cutter? No box cutter. And all the old sheeting is off. Okay. Hey everybody! Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time! Yes. Oh, just checking on my girls. Checking on my girls. Checking on the girls.